Hello, my name is Paige, and with my project members Austin and Michaela, we decided to do our research on the effects of agrochemicals. So, originally, our project question was: Is growing your own food better than buying your food at a store? But we changed it to our final research project question, which was: How does the presence of agrochemicals differ in homegrown produce versus store bought? So, the reason we decided to change this question was because of the feedback we received during the peer evaluation of the questions. Our first question was too broad and it would be difficult to narrow down in a short research paper, so we felt that we needed to change the question to be more focused. We also wanted to make it very relevant to our own lives, and our group found agrochemicals and how it affects our food and bodies to be a very interesting topic. Our project reviewed agrochemicals and what impact they have had on this environment, the human body, and the world to give insight as to why we are explaining the pros and cons of growing your own produce without the use of agrochemicals. We touched on the history of pesticides and explained what they are and how they are used. We discussed the pros and cons of at-home gardens compared to purchasing store-bought food. We described the impact of agrochemicals on the ecosystem and how all of this applies to our lives. After viewing other projects, we felt that our project was very well researched and had a lot of different avenues to explain our specific topic. We believe we are able to explain our project question effectively, and the peer feedback we got was very positive in terms of our content. If a researcher were to continue studying on this topic, they should continue to look into how agrochemicals affect the human body. Our paper touched on the surface level of what the chemicals can do, but a researcher could definitely go more into depth on the cellular level of how these chemicals negatively impact human health. We definitely think the subject needs further research because most Americans purchase food in store, and a small percentage of people purchase organic products, which are supposed to have less agrochemicals. So, this means most Americans are ingesting some sort of agrochemical from their produce. So, more research would definitely be more helpful. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed our project and learned a little bit more about the effects of agrochemicals on everything we explained.